Welcome back, children. This is Srinivasan here. We are discussing exercise 1.1 relations and functions chapter 13th problem. The question says show relation R defined in set A of all polygons where R is defined as order pair P1, P2 where P1, P2 have same number of sides. Show R is an equivalence relation. Up to this one question is there. The second part is there. We'll see that later. First we'll prove it is an equivalence relation. First you take set A of all polygons. A equal to set of all polygons. What do you mean by polygon, children? Yes. So polygon, it may be regular polygon, irregular polygon, triangle, square, quadrilateral, whatever you are going to shape, you are going to say. All are called as polygons. Okay. So A is such a big set which has all the polygons. Okay. Now, in this particularly in the relation you see the polygon 1 and polygon 2 will be there, where polygon 1 and polygon 2 will have same number of sides. Okay, children. Any you can take two triangle of 3 sides, you can say, or any quadrilateral of 4 sides. Whichever polygon you are going to imagine, you can imagine. Now let us take one polygon. Let P1 belongs to A. I am going to compare the polygon 1 with polygon 1 itself. If you are taken triangle with 3 sides, then you have to compare that with a 3 sides triangle. Or if you have taken a square 4 sides, then you are comparing the 4 sides square. So P1 is having an equal number of sides. Actually the other P1 will also have equal number of sides. Therefore P1 has same number of sides with polygon P1, which says P1, P2, P1, P1 belongs to R because reflexive. R is reflexive. So you have taken triangle and triangle, 3 sides. They are reflexive. They are same. They will be in R. Okay. Now second part. Let us take two polygons. P1. Let P1 polygon P2 belongs to A. Okay, children. You have choose in such a way such P1, P2 should be in R. That is, the polygons P1 and P2 should have equal number of sides. Should have equal number of sides. Say for example, you are taking a square as P1, you are taking rectangle as P2. They are same because square is 4 sides, rectangle is also 4 sides. You are comparing like that. Now, if P1 and P2 should have number of sides, if I interchange and say P2 and P1 is also having number of sides, that's not going to make any change. So this implies P2 and P1 also have same number of sides. So if your polygons are same, having the same number of sides, then it will be present in your relation R. Therefore, P2, P1 belongs to R. Therefore, R is symmetric. Now, transitive, you have to take 3 polygons. Let's P1, polygon 2, polygon 3 belongs to A such that how it should be. P1 and P2 should have equal number of sides. P2 and P3 should have equal number of sides. This implies I have taken 2 polygons, 3 sides triangle. I took 2 triangles. I said they are having equal number of sides. Then I left that P1. Now I am having P2. I am taking another triangle and I compare and say P2 and P3 have 3 sides. Then it means that P1 and P3 is also having the same 3 sides. That is the meaning of that. So P1 and P2 have belongs to our same number of sides. P2, P3 have same number of sides, which includes P1 and P3 will have same number of sides. That you can write and you can conclude, which implies P1 and P3 have same number of sides. Therefore, P1, P3 belongs to R. R is transitive. So we have proved it is reflexive, it is symmetric, it is transitive. What does it mean? It means it is R is an equivalence relation. That we'll write now. Therefore R is an equivalence relation. So we have completed the question. First part is over. Look at the second part. What is the set of all elements in A Set of all elements in A means that means that set of all polygons in A related to the right triangle T with sides 3, 4, 5. You have a right triangle, you are going to relate with the set of all triangles. So what will be compared with this triangle? A is a set with all the polygons. Now you have triangle in your hand, which will be related. Yes, it will be related only with the triangles in that set A. Correct. So your triangle T with sides 3, 4, 5 will be related with three-sided polygons in set A. What does it mean? What is a three-sided polygon? Yes, it is a triangle. So we have to rewrite again. Removing the three-sided polygon, you are going to write they are triangles. Therefore, T is related with all the triangles. Will all the triangles in the set A. In this way, they are related. Okay, children, they are related. So T is related with all the triangles in the set A. This completes the solution, children. Thank you.